Hi and welcome to this course on building microservices on AWS. My name is Alan Rodrigues. So I'm a software engineering specialist. I have around 10 plus years experience working mostly in Emirates Airlines. I'm currently managing my own startup company. Now I'm a big certification buff. I have a lot of certifications against my name. So currently I'm certified as an AWS associate in all the 3 levels of associate level certifications. I'm also certified as an AWS security specialist. And on top of that, I've also certified myself on the Microsoft Azure platform. So let's take a look at the course overview. So what are we going to learn? So firstly, we're going to learn on the basics of the architecture of microservices-based applications. We're then going to look at the different options available from AWS for creating microservices-based applications. We're then going to look at managing deployments. We're going to look at understanding on continuous integration. And then finally, we're going to look at the Elastic Container Service that's available from AWS. Now, why microservices? Well, the first thing is more flexibility. By dividing your application into multiple components, you can actually work on the components separately, which allows for more flexibility. You then have less dependencies. The entire architecture of microservices is to create less dependencies between the components of your application. And then it helps make it more easier to make changes to your application if there is less dependency between these components. So what are the course goals? So first is we're going to see at what is a microservices architecture. We're going to look at the different options available from AWS for microservices. We're going to look at managing deployments, continuous integration, and then finally we look at how containers helps in the microservices entire architecture.